How to reset PIN in Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Messenger. Now tap on the three lines. Now go to Settings. Now scroll down a bit and type on Privacy and Safety. Now go to End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now go to Message Storage. Now tap on Reset PIN. Now enter your PIN and tap on Submit. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.